Hello students, this is Mr. Smith and I want to share with you a quick video on even numbers. This should be a review from you from third grade and second grade and even into first grade as to what an even number is. And then we can actually use our knowledge of even numbers to figure out math facts. So this is another video in our Math Facts Strategies series. This is even numbers part 1. So as you can see here, there are quite a few even numbers on this first title page here. These are not the only even numbers, but if you look at these, you should possibly see a pattern of some type or a relationship in here. And if you don't see it quite yet, I'm going to help illuminate that for you. Even numbers. Even numbers have sets of pairs. In other words, this number here, these two dots right here, have a partner. These dots all have a partner. These dots all have a partner. And you can see these dots here, well, they do, but this one does not have a partner. So this particular number of dots would not be an even number. And so if you were to look at this, how many dots are here? 2. 2 is an even number. How many dots are here? 4. 4 is an even number. How many dots are here? 6. 6 is an even number. How many dots are here altogether in blue? 5. 5 is not an even number. It would be called an odd number. So as we look at even numbers, even numbers have that buddy. And I mentioned that relationship already. So even numbers have a buddy that goes along with them, and the odd numbers do not. And as even numbers have a buddy, we could look at the fact that there are a certain number that show up in even numbers. And so this one here is 2. This is a 4. This is 6. And here's 8. And finally, this is 10. These are 10 dots here, and they all have a buddy. And the thing I want you to realize about even numbers is that even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So those are the numbers that even numbers end in. So here you go. Even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are all even numbers. If you were to look at 14, that's an even number. It ends in a 4. 28, that's an even number. It ends in an 8. 60 is an even number. It ends in a 0, and so forth. 22, that ends in an even number of 2. And then 36, that's an even number. So any number that ends in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0 in the ones place is an even number. This concludes this video tutorial on even numbers. Please be sure to watch the next video tutorial on even numbers for solving math facts.